Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, as you can see behind me, we're working on the 21 Colorado, and I have a couple of special packages right over here. We're going to be putting those in. Now, I know I mentioned to you guys in a previous video that we're doing some slight, not necessarily modifications, but some upgrades to this thing. This is my wife's vehicle, and some things, well, just not necessary or useful for her, so we're not really going to get too extravagant with it. But we've already done a clear bra on the front, and we have done the undercoating. Something that is pretty important here in the Midwest due to the fact that they put salt on our roads. And the fact that she drives a heck of a lot for work. Well, preventative maintenance is key, and we want to keep this thing looking as nice for as long as possible. And that's where these two boxes here come into play, as you're soon gonna see. But before we get those things opened up, you guys know the routine. Go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up, all that stuff. It's super helpful, and it's very greatly appreciated. All right, let's go crack open some boxes. So as you can see from the first box, we've got some all-weather floor mats. Very important here in the Midwest, especially during that 8 to 10 months of winter that we have here in the Midwest. Now, no, I'm kidding. It's really not that long, but damn, it sure feels like it. My Midwestern friends can validate me on that one. So we're gonna crack these things open and see how they look.
Not in my house.
That's a nice fit. I like how they overlap the lip here a little bit, the sill plate. Just kind of helps keep things falling into the floor mat versus not. Covers the center hump nice. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, and in this last box, we've got a bed liner. Believe it or not, the bed liner came in this little box. So let's open it up, see what it looks like. Now I know what many of you are thinking, that doesn't look very good. Give it a little time, heat and everything, gravity, it'll lay down nice and flat. Did not want a big thick rubber one because we don't do a whole lot of hauling. It's just kind of nice to have something there to keep groceries and whatnot from sliding back and forth and anything that you might put back there. So just more of a slide stopper and a little bit of a protector at this point. But it looks good, so I'm pleased. Well, that's going to wrap things up for us here today. Truck looks pretty good, and believe me, that is just a stepping stone of what's to come. A few little things here and there, some cosmetic things, some things that are actually functional for the positive, not just functional for fun or appearance or whatever. So stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss what we're going to be doing to this thing coming up. We do have a pretty long laundry list of things we want to do to improve and update it. So make sure you have hit that subscription button and whatnot because you're not going to want to miss out. Thanks again. And as always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.